This video is for our cookie service area coordinators, and we have a demo site that you can play in, look around. You really can't do any harm, so this is a really nice, safe place to go to kind of check out what you will be doing during the cookie program. The play site website is ebdemo.littlebrownies.com, and that would be https://ebdemo.littlebrownies.com. The logon email for the play site is playsitegSCI@yahoo.com, and your password is thinmints1 with a capital T. So once you log on, you'll come to your home screen, and this is what it looks like. You'll have your service area name and your troops down below. Now the front page will load for you, and you'll have some information here. You might have some messages from me. You'll have a service area checklist. You now want to submit your cookie order, enter your delivery information, and so on. Some sales information, troop status of whether they've submitted or not, and sales information. If we have any special dates coming up, we have a calendar here. So it's a real nice dashboard. So I just want to show you around the tabs real quick. Contacts area. This is if you want to send an email, we have the email branch right here, and this is where you can enter your information, choose where you want your emails to go. I'm going to cancel out of that. This is where you can update your service area information as well, your address, your phone number, and so on. If you want to change your password, you can change your password in here. Of course, here's all your challenge questions down here. I'm going to submit that. Your settings tab. This is where you can update emails, add emails. So if you have a helper, this is where you would add their email, first and last name. You want to go ahead and make them primary. And if for some reason there is an email with a name that you're not familiar with, you can remove that simply by clicking remove. I'm not going to do that. And of course, whenever you update, you click on update. And we have the troops tab. And when you click on the troops tab, you'll get a listing of all the troops in your service area. And when they start placing their orders and submitting their orders, you will see this information. So when somebody has submitted an order, notation will come up and say, for example, submitted their order and they shouldn't have, you would simply click unsubmit cookie order, and their order would be unsubmitted. Initial order. This will give you your troops in your area that have submitted their order. So far, only Troop 1 has submitted an order. Your delivery tab is, of course, where your delivery site is going to be. And want to make sure this is correct. So Service Area 9, we have the Hutchcraft Warehouse. If your delivery site is unfamiliar, please let me know. We'll make sure that's all correct. Transactions. These would be transactions that you've done as a coordinator. You probably won't do very much in here at all. Of course, the deposits you don't have to worry about. The rewards. This will become active once the troop starts placing their recognition orders. And then you have your reports here as well. And so here's the list of all your different reports that you can run. The only thing I would say about your reports, so if you wanted to run a report on the girl order tab, before you run the report, you'll need to what's called regenerate it. And if you see that little regenerate sign before you run the report, you'll want to hit that. And basically what that's doing is updating all information so the report is correct. Okay, so we've got digital order card reports, we have reward reports, scheduling reports, recap reports. So there's a lot of good reports here if you want to kind of take a look and see what they look like. We also have a help center. In the help center, you have different areas that you can go to. You might not be using that very much, but it's there. Just wanted to show you that it's there. So let's take a look at how you can look at troop transactions. So let's say Troop 1 needs a little help. So what you can do is you can click on Troop 1. And what's really interesting, you can go in and look just as the troop would see things. So instead of using your service area coordinator view, you can actually go into the contacts tab, click on jump to, and what you're doing is you're jumping to the view of that particular troop leader. And now you can have a discussion with that troop leader and see exactly what that troop dashboard looks like. So let's go to the girl orders. And Alyssa B wants to um, remove 7 toffee tastics. For some reason the leader's having trouble. You can go in here, you'll click on Alyssa B, click on add a transaction, and we were going to remove 7 toffee tastics. So we'd put a -7. If we wanted to add 7, we'd put just a regular 7 in there. Click OK. And we're going to save it. Okay, so the girl order has been updated. So you can do transactions for your troop leaders, and what's nice is you can go in and see exactly what the troop is doing. Say for example they're having trouble putting in a boost sale. So you can click on their boost sites, click on the date, and you could put a boost site in for that troop leader as well. Just to show you one more item, if a troop leader is having trouble logging into their website, you would log on, and let's just say it's Troop 4. You would click on Troop 4, you would go to their settings, go to Edit Settings, and this is where you would update their email. Say no, it's just Troop 4 at yahoo.com. Put in troop leader's name, and click on primary, and then to remove the other ones you would simply click remove. But this time we want to have both emails in there, so we're going to make them both primary, and we're going to update that. And once that's updated, you go to the contacts and you'll see now we have the 2 emails. We have troop 4 at Yahoo and test troop 4 at girlscouts-gsci.org. That's as easy as it gets to update an email into eBuddy so a leader can log on and place their initial order. If you have any questions, please give us a call. We'll always be glad to help, and I hope you have a great cookie season.